So where would you go after you sell? That's a question many homeowners are asking themselves in this shifting market. I'm Glen Nelson with Coleman Realty Group, and let's talk about this question to give you some clarity. If you're planning to sell your house and move, you probably know there's been a shortage of options available. But here's the good news. The supply of homes for sale has grown in a lot of markets this year, and that's just not existing or previously owned homes. It's true for newly built homes too, and we're seeing this here in Temescal Valley with more than the usual number of homes coming on the market. So how do you decide which route to go? Do you buy an existing home or a brand new one? The choice is yours, and you just need to figure out what's most important to you. Now here's some benefits of buying a newly built home right now. You have brand new everything with never before used appliances and materials. You use energy efficient options to save money and leave a smaller footprint. You minimize the need for repairs and benefit from builder warranties. And you take advantage of builder concessions that can help you with affordability. In today's market, a lot of builders are focusing on their current inventory before they add more homes to their mix. And some of them are offering concessions and are more willing to negotiate to make a sale happen. That, coupled with the fact builders are primarily building smaller, more affordable homes, has led to one other potential perk. The median price for a newly built home in today's market is actually lower than the median price of an existing home, which isn't usually the case. Ralph Laughlin, senior economist at Realtor.com, shares, home buyers who are looking for that new home smell may be in a relatively friendlier market than times past, when new homes were considerably more expensive than used ones. If you're interested in seeing what builders nearby have to offer, lean on your real estate agent. Their knowledge of local builders, new communities, and builder contracts will be important in this process. Now let's compare that to the benefits of buying an existing home. You join an established neighborhood that you can get a feel for before moving in. You can choose from a wider variety of floor plans and styles. You can appreciate the lived-in charm that only an older home can provide. You can enjoy the privacy and curb appeal of mature trees and landscaping. In addition to these lifestyle benefits, there's strategic value to buying an existing home too. Remember, you can always make upgrades to an existing home down the road to give it some of the latest features available. And this gives you the best of both worlds. You'll get the charm, the neighborhood, and over time, you can still add those on-trend elements that you may see in a brand new home. And if you do, you'll likely increase the home's value too. An article from LendingTree explains, they can personalize it and possibly increase its potential resale value with cosmetic upgrades. Plus, if a home comes with the physical details or stories that add charm, in some cases, these elements are attractive enough to add to a home's resale value. Want to see what's available? Your real estate agent can show you what homes are for sale in your area so you can see if there's one that works for you and your needs. There are a lot of factors that go into deciding whether to buy an existing home or a newly built one after you sell. But it's essential in today's market to understand the opportunities that you can find in both. Let's connect so you can have expert guidance as you explore the options in our area. And if you want to see more videos like this, please hit the like button and subscribe. And we'll see you next time.